YouTube. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the 2.9-inch Android radio. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this puppy. So what's in this box? Let's remove this part here. Alright, this is the 9-inch Volkswagen A4 Android radio. Let's open up the box and let's see, let's have a look inside. This is just the quick start guide. Put it apart for later. Let's go ahead and let's see what is inside. Wow, it looks really good. We have here the removal tool. This is always handy to have. Yeah, when you install the radio into your car, it's always handy to have these tools to remove the plastic parts. 2 of those, which is really nice. We got our famous Android 7.1 user's manual, which is always handy to have. Also the software is covered, which is yeah, so the whole software is covered, even in color. That's really nice. User's guide in color. Very interesting. Looks good. And okay, so the next thing we have here are all the cables. Let's see this one here. Oh, we got the 8 gig map card. So this seller is really generous. He even gave us the 8 gig map card and some cables here. Alright. That is fantastic. Let's see, just put out the map. Eight gig micro. Let's hope you can see it, guys. Okay, this is the 8 gig micro. Yeah, there you go. 8 gig micro SD C class 10. Right, it's included with the map, which is really nice. Then we have here also instructions on how to attach the cables to the camera, which is always handy to have. Alright, we have here our camera. This is also included, and a set of cables. They are also included, and even the screws are included, which is really nice. So that is a bonus. Those two, it's just perfect. We'll use them later. Right. So what do we have more in this box? Okay, so let's continue this side. See what's here. More cables. Everything is included already. We got the GPS antenna cables, Right here, and GPS antenna cables, frequency 1575.42 megahertz, voltage 2.7 to 5 volt. This goes on the back of the unit. We have a better GPS reception, and here we have USB connector and another USB connector, two USB cables, one for the Wi-Fi or the 3G, and the other one just for an extra USB, which is really nice. There's also a front dedicated SD card reader on the front, so in total you have 3 storage possibilities, which is really nice. I like that. Let's see here what we have here. This is a microphone. It's always handy to have an extra microphone. It already has a front microphone, but to enforce the microphone signal you can use this one here. That is also fantastic. Then we have here more cables. Let's see here, are those video in cables, DVR cables, aux-R. Okay, well that's for later, but we can leave them attached to the system so they won't get lost. TV infrared, and that is included. That's nice. Okay, and last but not least, here also we have more cabling. All the cables are already included, front, outer. These are for the speakers, antenna cables, and rear out speakers, amplifier, rear out, more video cables here. That is fantastic. Okay, well, this the seller is really generous. I like it that he includes everything, even the SD card is included, and an extra camera, and that is really nice. I like that. Let's put everything inside properly. Okay, use that later. Alright. We have here now on this side the CAN bus decoder. Yeah, this is really important for Volkswagen compatibility. Okay, this CAN bus is to allow the software to communicate with the radio, and this is a must-have. It's already included with the system, which I really like. I expected this to be bigger. This is a small one. I wonder if it has the same functionality like the other ones. I hope so. Anyways, here we have more cabling. Let's see. Yeah, the 2 different power cable possibilities. Depends on your car how it is attached, and that we'll see later. Anyway, you can use this one or this one, so you don't need to fiddle around with the cables. You just plug and play, plug it in, and it will work directly, or this one or this one, and that is nice. Okay, let's remove the radio gently. Okay, here we have also the antenna cable. Anyways, so we have also this one cable here for the antenna, and for the extra signal, stronger signal. This is also important to attach. And then we have the radio itself, all in its glory. And let's put aside this box here. Just bear with me 1 second. Alright, let's continue with the radio. And there is the radio. Wow, that's really nice. Here. There's our radio. Let's put it in plastic like this. Okay, let's have a look at the back side of this radio. Here we have the power connector, This is a fuse, must always stay inside. There's like an extra protection. I can show you what this fuse looks like this. This is an extra protection. If the radio, if something goes wrong, then it is protected with this extra fuse. It must always stay inside. Alright, this is the power connector. Then here we have your Wi-Fi antenna. Alright, a small antenna, this is nice. We got here all different connections. Antenna connector and GPS connection. Alright, on this diagram here on the top you can see which goes where. Normally you can't mistake because each connector has its own pin feeds, so that is good. Working power is 10 to 15 volts. Can power it with 12 volts, so that means also a power supply for a computer. You will be able to power it and to test it out before mounting it into the car. That is a good idea to do, but I'm going to show later in other videos. 2018 was the test. This is the warranty sticker. Don't tear it, otherwise you will lose your warranty. Okay, you can see the front of the radio. Here's the GPS. You can see it, guys. Here's the GPS dedicated SD card slot. It's got a reset button and a microphone also in the front. Power button, home button, back button, and the volume down and the volume up button. Alright. Later we are going to attach this Android 2-DIN 9-inch screen system, so that we're gonna have a look into the software more specifically. Yeah, that will be really interesting for you guys, I think so. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Stay well, peace out.